Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're at the Bothy job and we are about to attack the plywood linings. So there's a wee bit of a jump between the last video and this one. That's where the YouTube kind of fell off a cliff earlier this year. We just had so many jobs started and unfinished, weather, ferries, all the things that just seemed to really build up at the start of the year, and I had to just forget about doing this and get our heads down. We're nearly there. Once we get this one off our hands, I think we'll be back on track with schedules and stuff and get everyone finished that's waiting on us. So we're going to have another go at YouTube, so stick with us if you're still watching. So after quite a slow start, we had the delivery came with the ply, and we got the angles in all the velexes, and we've got lines pinged along because we're going to have a joint running along the top of these velexes on both sides. So we've got this first sheet on. So far we're not needing to prop it, we're just no more nails and then pins on it. It seems to be holding fine. It's a bit of a bugger cutting around all these brackets, try to get them neat and tidy. But we've got the second sheet just about ready to go. You're just marking the pinholes. So we'll get that one on, and then we're going to do the same on the opposite side, and then we're going to attempt our curved sheets, and if we can get all this sweetly lined up with the velexes, because everything is slightly off a wee bit. The wall plates aren't level, the roof tapers. It's just renovation for you, but if we can get one section started, then I think we can kind of fly through a bit quicker. Right guys, that's us got a heap of the ceiling ones on, both sides. It was a bit footery getting around all these brackets, quite time consuming. We've had to stop short on this side because, I'll just move around the ladder. Had to stop short here because I haven't actually finished framing this wee bit out above the door. We weren't sure how they wanted that finished. So we're going to leave that then now because it is getting towards the end of the day, and we've marked out this gable end wall, so usually just cutting up these ones. We'll try and throw them on before the end of the day because we want to get them on first, because I think when this curved piece is on, it'll be a lot harder to scribe into the curve than it will be to push the curve against it. That's the idea anyway. Yes. Right. No, it's okay. So for left hand side, so we've got this wee maze area pretty much done, all the walls and the slope ceiling. The returns here, see our wee cupboard doors there. I've just lined the inside of them, and we're probably just going to use kitchen door hinges on 18mm ply to make wee doors, just wee lockers really. It'll be tight by the time you get a bed in here. So next up, it's the end of the day and it's a Friday, so we were going to quickly finish this area, but I actually need some wood for framing out above the door. So we've just made a wee start, if I zoom in, on, we've got a curved piece going on here, and I'll be honest, we're not 100% sure how we're going to do it. So we've cut some strips, 100mm strips, all go down, and we are putting them up in place, cutting them to length because nothing is square, parallel, level here. Everything has got an angle, different lengths. So we're going to put these strips on and then make marks, measurements in between everything. Then we'll take two strips off, lay them down on a full sheet, cut them, and then try placing them back in we're putting them in tight for now, and if that works then we'll cut 6mm off to allow for the shadow gap on each side. So we've got a few of these curves on now. It's not easy, it's not a fun job, but we've got that done. We've got this doorway framed in and plasterboarded, so we've got these 2 sheets on. We're just cutting this last piece in here now, which will then just give us a clean run all the way through with the rest of the curves. Okay. So that is most of the ceiling done. It's been a bit of a battle, this curve, because the roof splays out the way. It gets wider as it goes along. It's also, the ridge isn't level and there's a lot of bumps in the rafters, so it's been a bit of a task, but I think it's looking pretty good. There's only one joint we just need to clean up here. It's just not quite wide enough at one end, something slipped, but we'll put a knife or something on there just to open it up a wee bit. We've just got a couple of wee scribes to at the end, but we're going to horse on now into the bathroom, so we want to use up as many of the full sheets as we can, just to try and get some space in here. This first wee sort of shelf and hanging rail unit in, pretty simple. It's got a wee backing board with the maple. Looks alright. Just needs a final sand down. Just going to get this into its final place with some wedges, and then we can start applying this wall around it and get some more bits knocked off.
And I think one of the plus outside of London, because a lot of the economy, health and food. Plus, get free shipping. That are in other religious texts. So we're going to keep that. Once it was an original piece. Yeah. And part of his thing was once he gets into office. And that just hit me. That just hit my brain. She makes more money than anybody, and it's true.
I was listening to your take on the White House UFC card being the end of MAGA.
He gets that and he understands that.
Right, I've got that front face done, so we really can't do much more of the 6mm ply on the walls now till we get our stainless steel for this worktop and splashback and our wet wall for the bathroom. I've got this wee scribe to do, which we'll catch shortly. That's as far as we're going to go in this one, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Cheers for now.